Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Amazon price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis, and starting on the weekly chart for the all-time history for Amazon. We are looking at a 1-2 here, 1-2, and then we are looking at a wave 3 toward the upside. The wave 3 is unfolding as a 1-2 and another 1-2-3-4-5 for a wave 3 here, and having a wave 4 in the white scenario to finish, of course, a wave 5 toward the upside, meaning this impulse for a wave 3 in the yellow still unfolding for a wave 5, where we have seen, of course, an impulse and correction as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 continuation toward the upside to hit the 1.618 target taken from this 1, 2, that it might reach, of course, the 617K. Now, if we move inside it on the 4-hour chart here, we can see that we have, of course, finished this impulse toward the upside with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here. As we mentioned on the daily, we have finished a wave 1 for the yellow scenario, and we have an ABC hitting the 0.38 minimum requirement for a wave 2. And in this case scenario, we start, of course, to move toward the upside as a 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 here. Potentially, this is a wave 3, by the way, as 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5, I would say. Internally, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for this wave 3 to be finished, and we're looking currently for a wave 4. For this scenario, in a wave 4, you would like to reach, of course, the 0.23 taken from the wave 2 to the wave 3 here. And of course, this 0.23 might hit around the 207K. For the fib time, we can take it from the wave 2, of course, as well, and based on the wave 3. So we would like to see exactly this wave 4 taking at least double time. I mean, it can be less, but it is preferable that we have the double time for it. So basically, I would say 207 might be the next target for Amazon for wave 4, and that we move from there towards the upside. Don't forget, the wave 2 is a very sharp and deep zigzag, and as alternation between the wave 2 and the wave 4, you would like to have, of course, a flat or kind of like a triangle maybe for a wave 4. In this case scenario, you would like to see, of course, a wave 5 after it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, simply continuation toward the upside. The targets are still the same. Of course, if we want to have a new target here, maybe much accurate, because of course we have this before. So let's just make sure with the wave 3. Here we go. So the wave 3, of course, is a new high here that we have for this wave 3. Therefore, the target for the wave 5 later on might be, of course, even higher. Here we go. So we might comes back to at least a $250 after a wave 4. Of course, we're gonna see how this is going to unfold. Now, if we dive a little bit deeper to see if this wave 3 is finished, basically this is a finished impulse here toward the upside, where you have a 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and a 5. This is an impulse potentially finished. It can be even having much higher prices. Now we see a little bit higher, but basically I can count very clearly here, kind of like a 1, 2. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for the wave 3, 4, and a 5. And this wave 5, we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Probably this is the only wave 5 that you have here. And this again, another 4 and a 5. So basically, yeah, it can be one more high for Amazon here. Can be possible because we have a double 1, 2. You have one wave 3 toward the upside. You have 3 waves toward the downside again for a wave 4. And you're still looking for one more wave 5 toward the upside. So I would say, yeah, let's take, of course, this high and then call a perfect wave 3 toward the downside. Don't forget though, that also with a new high, this fib level here for wave 4 might change on the 4 hours chart, but it's not gonna go very far actually. It can be like all around it, but we're gonna of course update it later on. So if we get higher, don't forget that the targets here can move a little bit higher for a wave 4 as well. So 207, 208 was still, of course, a target for the next wave 4 after one more high, and then, of course, continuation toward the upside later on. That was it for Amazon. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.